She's in gel coat. Now the sanding begins all over again. Hit this with 320, 600, 800, 1,000, 15, 3,000, buff and polish.
320, we got a little bit left to do. Back it up and go into 600. Wet sand it.
I'll get it all buffed, all done.
No, that's what I do.
And then you get pip, 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 walking out the door.
Yes.
Just got back to the shop. Scotty got his little bips done. The interior is buffed, polished, looks amazing. They knocked it out of the park. Just phenomenal job. It's all prepped. Tomorrow we'll start working on the non-skid.
Gary's making templates for our non-skid material, and then we'll transfer this to our non-skid pattern and get them cut. Gary has finished up making our non-skid patterns out of our G4 material. Talk about our G4. This is a polyester matting material made by Gipco. We're able to coat this either in a thinned out gel coat or an all grip product or any other paint product, but it needs to be done in very light coats as so we don't fill up the non-skid pattern. Scotty has applied 2 very light coats, and these are our base coats. Now Scotty will come in and he'll lay 3 coats, nice and dry, of our factory color. So Scotty and I just prep solved the underneath of our patterns. We're going to start off with these 6 pieces. That'll really only leave us 3 more to do when we're done, which will be our 2 big areas, and then where we're stepping out the transom door here. Away we go.
Well, speaking of going, we're going to have to leave you here because some things we just can't share. Join us in the next video when I do a complete rundown of the finished product of our Pursuit 3370. And no, I won't make you wait a whole day for that video. I'll release it an hour after this one. Thank you so much for following.